Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve two-finger scroll not working on Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, search Control Panel. Now here open Control Panel. Select category. Now here click on Hardware and Sound. Then select Mouse. Now here click on Pointer Options. Now here select Pointers and here select any different system schema. So in my case Windows default is selected, so I will try to different one. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Now exit and restart your system. If this method not work, so again click on mouse. Now this time you have to select. If this method not work, so try another method. If that method not work, so you can try this method. Click on start, then here click on apps. Add or remove programs, so type this one. And guys, in this installed apps, if you using any touchpad application, so guys here you will see any program for touchpad like touchpad gesture. I have not that one, but if you are using any touchpad laptop or device, so you will see that program or software for touchpad. So just you have to do, click on this three dot and advanced option there. And firstly you have to try repair. It's only I'm showing the example. You have to find out your gesture software. So try repair and then reset. Then exit and restart. Still you are facing problem, so you can try this last method. Click on start and settings. Here click on accessibility. And here click on mouse pointer and touch. If you are using Windows 11, so you will see this setting. And here touch indicator you can turn on. And also click on touchpad. And make sure this setting for touchpad is on. Also guys, you can make some changes here. And here is the 3-finger gesture and 4-finger gestures. So you can make it on. And here is the 4-finger gesture. And there are some more settings for gesture here. You can make fast and slow. So this is the possible way guys you can fix and resolve two-finger not working in your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. And now here click on tabs and here turn on this tab with 2 fingers to right click and also turn on these all settings. So this is the way guys you can try. Thanks for watching.